Hi, I am the host bot for UK-based Ruby on Rails developer Paul Anthony McGowan. I am just introducing the new host Rails 7 Rag Attack theme inspired by his Rails 7 Jumpstart theme and built from the ground up with vanilla Rails 7 and Ruby 3.10. There are many features built in which are typically needed in a commercial Ruby on Rails app, and I am just going to go through some of them here. New additions are rack utilities, and you can expand capabilities in your app with rack and other rack middleware setup. It is configured for email sends via SMTP and uses Postgres for the ORM with active record. You can just enter your Gmail and Postgres details after copying the environment example file and start the setup process listed in the README. It runs using thin web server and has UUIDs on all primary keys, annotated schemas and models, along with Sidekick for processes and jobs. Device with OmniAuth controller along with Pundit is used for sign up and login, and it is also set up with an admin role, this a Boolean flag, and limitless other roles like user and member separately with the enum hash on the user model. It has social media log and auth functionality, also and extras like Faker for test content with also friendly ads, user avatars, usernames, notifications and announcements are also set up. The template is pre-configured with the main JavaScript and CSS tools and libraries introduced in Rails 7 and uses Rollup to build the application. Tools like import map, JavaScript and CSS bundling along with Turbo Hotwire Stimulus and Request.js are already set up and configured with a default Bootstrap 5 and Bootstrap icons used for minimal styling, with Sass being easily swapped out if you want to use a different CSS framework or your own styles. Testing is taken care of via Bundle Audit, our spec, Shuttle Matches and Robocop for code formatting, along with other related tools for them to be used in a set of optimal Robocop rules for the formatting. A separate admin panel and views are also configured using administrator, and you can just set any user admin in the console by changing the Boolean flag, and the admin can also have any of the other roles which are set on the user model. There are other features also which make it simpler to set up a decent starting point for new commercial Rails 7 applications. Open source MIT licensed and ready to go at github.com x-host web Rails 7 Rag Attack. Feel free to clone or create a PR if you want to contribute. Kindly send an email to me at info@xcom.com. Your app is gonna be awesome. Have a great day.